Banana bread is a classic baked treat that combines the naturally sweet flavor of ripe bananas with a moist, tender crumb. This simple yet delicious recipe is perfect for breakfast, a quick snack, or dessert. Not only does banana bread taste amazing, but it's also a great way to use those overripe bananas sitting on your counter. With just a few basic ingredients, you can whip up a loaf of soft, fluffy, and flavorful banana bread. Three ripe bananas, mashed 1½ cups all-purpose flour, half a cup unsalted butter, melted 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt. 3 ripe bananas, mashed 1½ cups all-purpose flour, optional, half a cup chopped walnuts or chocolate chips. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9 by 5-inch loaf pan. In a large mixing bowl, mash the ripe bananas until smooth. Add melted butter to the mashed bananas and stir until combined. Mixing sugar, eggs, and vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, stirring until just combined. Do not overmix. Fold in walnuts or chocolate chips if desired. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan and spread it evenly. Bake for 60 to 65 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the banana bread cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. How to prepare: start by preheating the oven and preparing your loaf pan. In the mixing process, ensure that the bananas are well mashed to achieve a smooth texture in your batter. The melted butter adds richness, and combining it with the sugar helps to create a moist texture. When incorporating the dry ingredients into the wet mixture, stir just enough to blend, avoiding over-mixing, which can result in a dense loaf. Add any desired extras like nuts or chocolate at this stage for added texture or flavor. Once poured into the loaf pan, let the banana bread bake until golden brown and fully set in the middle. After cooling, slice and enjoy your homemade banana bread.